Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Indian overseas bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar type in iob.in and click on enter. After that you will be redirected to official homepage of Indian Overseas Bank. Now at the top right corner you can see a login button. Hover your mouse to it and you can select which account you want to get logged in. Now you will get a login page. After that, type in your login ID, password, and you can also select where you want to get directly logged in by clicking on this drop down menu. Now type the CAPTCHA by taking reference with this picture. If it is too hard for you to understand, click on this button and CAPTCHA will be regenerated. After that, click on login button to log into your Indian Overseas Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.